Okay, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to bring in the images, the background and the car images for just the first group. That's the starting scene, the straightaway. I provided you with that folder. You dragged it from RLS Multimedia Server onto your desktop. I'm going to go retrieve those items right now. I'm going to go up to, I'm going to click on my screen once to make sure motion is active. How do I know? It says motion. Come up here, I go main menu, file, import. On the desktop, and this is the file, motion tutorial car race. I need from here the roads. I need the starting line one. There's the starting line. I'm going to say import. I'm going to come back up. I'm going to go main menu, file, import. Let's go get the blue car, and we don't need the left, we want the front. And so I'm going to click blue car front, and then the same thing. Let's go main menu, import. Let's get the orange car front, and import. There's my cars. Now I'm looking at this and I'm wondering, what happened to my blue car? Well, the orange one's just sitting right on top of it. So I'm going to show you how to. So right now I'm looking down here. You see how the orange is highlighted? This is the group. And you'll get to know the group over time. So I'm really not going to explain it right now. But when I go ahead, and what happens is all these three, everything beneath the top one is a member of this group. Okay? You're going to create several groups in this race. So on this one, what's active is this one layer here, the front group. And I can click on this top group, the actual group one, then everything becomes active within it, 3 objects, but we'll ignore that for now. So here I go, the front, right now the orange car is active. If I click on this one here, the blue behind it is active. Ta-da! And if I click on this one here, the background is active. When I click, see how it's highlighted? Plus I can see these bars around the edges. That's how I know it's active. Now I can activate the layer by just clicking on the object. And so here, well, I guess I can't. I'm not sure why it's not becoming active, but here, blue front layer, blue car's active, orange car's active. Once it's active, I can go ahead and move them into wherever I want them to go. So here, see that worked. So I'm going to drag, so I have my blue, my car. You can put them anywhere you want right now, okay? Let me move this guy slightly over. Active, layers, and playhead. Let me show you the playhead as well. So far we set it up so we're going to go for 19 seconds. So here's our timeline down here. Here's our time code, and there it ends at 19 seconds. Okay, I can take this right now. We don't have a motion set, but you can see exactly. Here's our playhead as we're working through. And if I hit the space bar, notice how hit the space bar second time, try it. Hit the space bar, it's just like in Final Cut. You make it go, or you can make it not go, and you can see exactly what time you're on, all the way up to that time that we requested here. I'll show you later on how to add additional time if you ever need to, but you won't need it for this race right here. I'm going to come back very next step, and I'm going to show you if you accidentally brought in your layers and they're all mixed up. In other words, the background is on top of the cars. I'm going to show you the next step how to straighten that out.